Welcome to Piggy Power.
Serious video alert.
Welcome to Piggy Power, and apparently now I review tools and equipment in the garage. Just thought I'd do that. Why not? Thank you. So is it worth buying a £15, $14.99 eBay special? Gurney, plastic gurney. It's not a gurney, is it? That's the wrong, nope. It's a creeper. Apparently it's a creeper. You creep up on people. And this is a plastic one. I have another plastic one. Just slightly bigger, just slightly more expensive. This was twice the price. It's made by Neilsen. It is a CT1267. This has seen better days. You'll notice the skid style wheel. You'll notice the lightweight option here with the 5 wheels, not the 6. I've got my money's worth. I reckon 3 years, 15 quid. It's been alright. Thought we'd go for something a little bit better. So I doubled it. 15 quid to 30 quid. So this is the IKEA version. So it's flat pack and you have to put the stuff on yourself. But it has tool trays apparently, better wheels, it is bigger, it has nice little cutouts for your shoulders like that one too. I'll explain why I went for the plastic one later, not the metal one, which folds and does flippy things like that. So let's put it together. It can't be that difficult. I'll do it on camera. Let's tear into this, literally. We have a plastic body. We have a headrest, fitted already, thank you. We have nut, M6, we have flat washer, we have swivel caster, sleeve, screw, plastic wrench. I don't like the sound of a plastic wrench, we might just go for the old buzz gun. Right. Oh, there we go. Oh, it is a plastic wrench. There we go. That's cute. I like that. I don't think it's meant to be cute, but I still like it. Warning, do not place under automobile tyres to move the vehicle. It is not a skateboard or a toy. It is not a skateboard or a toy. Do not use if one or more wheels are inoperative. Right, basically bolt goes up, nut goes down. Apparently. Screw goes in there, locates in thus, like thus, but we need a sleevey sleeve, Stevie sleeve, and then it goes like that, and then a washer, and then the nut. Oh man, that is fiddly. Skip to the end where I finish this. Yeah, they're not bad. There's no bearing on the wheel, but there is a bearing on the caster section, the bit that turns. It should be fine. This is still only a 30 quid creeper. Why do they call it a creeper? Why do you creep round a garage? It appears they don't give you any spares, so don't lose them. IKEA always give you a spare of each. I like them for doing that. I probably won't buzz them with a buzz gun because this is only a plastic frame. So I'm assuming it probably wouldn't go very well. Hence the plastic wrench probably, so that you can't over tighten them. Yep. I expect the plastic wrench actually just snaps when you get too tight. That's torque to spec. Comment below, why do they call it a creeper? I mean, you don't creep under a car, do you? That's a bit weird. Seems nice. Does seem better than that one. So it is longer, it is wider, has a bigger head pad. Those are nice things. Has the little tool tray, or you can put some spanners and stuff in there, that's cool. Sits a bit higher, that could be a negative, because as you go under a car, you want space between your nose and the hot sump, or exhaust. I like the cutouts, they're decent, good for your shoulders, you know, for the buff ones like me. So, I'm gonna have to test it out, aren't I? pretty comfy. Head position's nice. I can get to those tools there and the trays. So, thank you for watching Piggy Power. These are pretty good. 30 quid. Saves you rolling around on the dirt, but you do need a pretty smooth surface. As you can see, and here. It's not a great surface, but this does fine. Gravel, no good. I like to look after my body. And so I like these creepers. Creeping. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment. Maybe I'll review some other tools and random bits in the garage that no one cares about. Stay safe. Piggy out. Hi Ziggy. Let's play.